Oh, Jiminy, look, it's raining. Yeah, I know. Why wouldn't he get us a coat? We don't have a coat. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Everybody find the shade. Everyone find something to... Where shall we... Ah! Oh my gosh, this should be place. Ah, this is nice. Being under here. No, I can still feel rain. Can't we just get to a place and then we can pull down? Yeah, you're right, Jiminy. Tonthy. Believe in Black Pearl. We just left our school. Okay, let's go home. Alright. There's our school. Right, so just don't throw your lunchbox. What was that? I don't know. Don't throw your lunchbox like you did. What the heck? What? That was funny. Don't throw your lunchbox like you did last time. Because you know what happened last time you threw your lunchbox. It was so funny. Jiminy, why did you just make that noise? I don't know. Okay, let's go home. Meet my Toms. What's a Tonthy? Oh my gosh, it's raining out here. Shall we turn off the camera or shall we keep it on? Because this video can't be ruined. Wait, shall I? No, Jiminy, we're not doing that. We're not throwing the phone across the road. And if you do that, then we're gonna... You treat me like you're dummy. I don't treat you like a dummy. What are you thinking? Right, go across the road. Look, we must look left and right. There is clearly a car there. So let's carry on walking. Oh no! Oh, there we go! Wait, go across the road. Oh no! Oh my gosh, it's raining! Monkey! Oh, that's not Freddo Monkey. We saw Freddo Monkey yesterday. Yeah, I know we saw Freddo Monkey yesterday. We saw Mr. Freddo Monkey yesterday, and he met us, and he even kicked Oof out of the house. Do you remember that? Yeah. In fact, then after that we ate all the chocolate, and then after that he got more chocolates, and then after that we didn't even get to see Freddo. Anyway, let's go somewhere before this rain starts falling down even more. Yeah. Look, there's our house. Let's get back to our house immediately. Okay, now we're back at our house. Now we can ring the doorbell. Okay. Oh, it's nice and shady here. Okay. Is there someone at the door? Or is there no one? Okay.